TV. Lady Warriors, Tagasugbo against...
Wala na matutulog ng tanghali.
Wala na. Lady
Wala na,
Bulldogs.
gising na lahat.
Gising na lahat. And we're glad to be sharing the time on the GMA News TV network. And that's a little too strong. 17-12 is the count here.
Well, that was a lot of adjustment from Jeng Bolito. It's really a short set. Well, Jeng Boli, the third set, 6 points. Labiano with 3. Tunay, 5 points already. And Maizo with 3.
Malyari tries to tip it over. Lastimosa. You know, not the usual customers. It's Tunay, Lastimosa, and the others who are doing it for USD.
Oh! Nagkatingin na naman.
Sabi ni Mike Autis, ayaw nyo, wag.
Abay, pag may isa pang tao dyan, violation na yan. 7 kayong nandyan.
Inirapan yung bola pag ikot. Anyway, time to forget the play. Ganun talaga ang volleyball, ano? You quickly try to forget. You move on quickly.
Well, USC trying to ask for a check. No go as Lastimosa sends that long.
Malyari serve in play. USD by 3. Third set. We're tied in the number of sets. Free ball. Rhea. Maiga. One of the longer rallies we've had. Second longest. Nice combination by USD actually.
And Lastimosa getting that. Pero mukhang, ano na naman yun, alanganin. Pwedeng lumabas. Buti na lang last minute ito si Malyari. Also, undecided, pero last minute took it. Hi, sabi ni Lastimosa. Buti na lang.
Kasi parang maling zone niya pinadala eh, no? Kasi may tao dun eh. Roses, well done.
Just so smart. Make volleyball look so easy. Alam mo yung hindi niya na nilalabanan halos yung power ng palo ni Jeng Boli. Itong si Su naman, hinahanap lang yung mga open areas, yung mga butas dun sa court ng UST.
Ano si Suzanne thinks like a coach eh. Well, she's
Totoo,
been an assistant
pwede.
already actually for San Sebastian. People tend to forget that her origins are actually UE. Di ba? Nakakalimutan
Totoo.
because she's played so often for Roger Gorayev when Roger was coaching San Sebastian actually. Lantin is back in. Mikasa is our official ball here in the Shakey's V-League. The most abused piece of equipment, but wala, matibay. Just bounces and bounces.
Pwedeng bugbugin.
Oh. Setup job. Huli si Roses.
Jeng Boli.
Back row.
Wala nang approach.
Wala na. Take off kagad.
Ang laki-laki ng open area na yan, ng butas na yan ng UST. Take a look at that.
Can't blame UST for moving back. De Leon is apologetic because she feels she wasn't emphatic enough in her block, but I think she was the last person standing actually. Too close to the net. They adjust.
Oh, and that's going to be a violation. Backliner itong si Lauren. Trisha Crisostomo to serve for Baste.
Yes. Too close to the net.
Oh,
Ay,
that's
peligroso.
another violation.
May sabit yung toss.
Double violation called against Lauren. Lasing.
Wala eh. Kailangan niya ipahinga si Rhea Di Maculangan eh. Op. Rotation.
And ito naman, error on the rotation. So, balik ito. Balik ngayon ng
They gave away 1, 2, 3 points in that
Yes.
sequence. When they took out Then makulangan actually.
And forced errors pa.
Yeah. Suddenly, it's knotted at 19. Both sides have had moments of sloppy volleyball,
Yes.
huh? Rhea, Lastimosa, Pamela's heave, volley keeps it rather in the air, hinabol. Rhea din makulangan, Lastimosa.
Oh, and
Malakas.
Lastimosa. Again, kulang ng snapping ng wrist. Kulang ng konti. Hindi pa rin siya nakakapag-adjust.
Yung makulangan was told by Ojin Maman, palo ka. Palo ka din.
Oh, and that caught
Oh,
line.
inside,
Trisha
oh.
Crisostomo with an ace.
USD wants to talk things over. They're beginning to lose their grip on a set that looked like it was theirs to begin with.
Masyadong umayaw ka na eh. Hindi naman sa likod, umayaw ka eh. Umayaw na yung spider natin na. Hindi naman kaya ng tatlo. Sabihin natin na off yung mga pinasok na player. Pero hindi naman ganun kalahin. Ano mo ba?
I'm looking at the faces of the Lady Tigers and a little panic setting in because
Yes.
lamang sila eh.
Well, talagang ano yun eh, series of unfortunate events. Yung
Yes.
limang
Yes,
sunod-sunod na puntos na yun. When they had a hold on the game.
Yes, in fact,
Diba?
they had changed their players to give them a break, a rest actually, but it backfired, and that's the risk you take. That's going to be in Lastimosa, thanking her lucky stars that went in.
Another, long hit from Lastimosa, but that time pumasok pa rin doon sa court. Alam mo, pag medyo ganyan, yung hindi nag-work yung wrist movement mo, yung wrist action mo, dapat cross-court na lang para mas mahaba yung
Distansya,
travel ng bola.
From one side
Pero
to
ang
the
ganda
other.
naman ng serve na yun.
Saran got to it to begin with. De Leon. It's there. Tunay slams it, keeps it alive. Rhea near joust. Tunay. Yes, she got it.
And that's what Rhea brings this team. Veteran move on that set. Napakahirap ng set na ginawa ni Rhea na yun to give it to Carmela Tunay. And
From the
Tunay
other end,
responding. Halos
the other end,
nakatagilid siya nun eh. Tapos nakatagilid pa. But again, yun yung dinadala ni Rhea dito sa UST.
The good ones like Jem Ferrer, Janet Serafica, they know how to adjust in the air. Wally skids to the floor with one knee. Adjust by Tunay. She had no lift actually.
Oh,
She has gotten 2 points in a row.
That's right. Great idea from Tunay.
Now San Sebastian, their turn to have a wrinkle. Tanggulas in it.
Kaya naka-score na yung laban, saka mo iisipin na akin pala. Lahat lang muna, kunin mo na lang. Ikaw lang naman yung tao nandun eh. Ano ba iisipin mo? Kunin mo lang, may magsagat naman ang iba eh. Pero hindi ako, ikaw lang naman kumuha, marami pwedeng mag-set. Pero yung depensa mo, ikaw lang nandun eh. Anong play mo dito? Wala receive 4.
Life is unfair, I think, about it because the bulk of the coaching really is on the setter.
Yes, and you could really see that Trisha Crisostomo is a very young setter.
Yeah.
Kasi ayan pa yung hesitation niya in getting the first ball.
First ball hesitation because she's accustomed to the second ball.
Yes.
She thought that somebody was, as usual, the akala is mali, di ba? Anyway, they're trying to get back into this one to tie it up. They're down by a point.
Oh,
This girl has delivered the goods for USD.
delivering is the word. Why? 7 attack points in this third set for Tunay already.
Carmela,
Tsaka, yung attacks niya, challenging the blockers,
Yes,
no?
good point.
Tapos,
Yep.
biglang may off-speed siya kaninang isa.
Carmela Tuna is actually in a place she likes very much. She's hoping that the rotation does not swing her around to any other place. Roses could have slammed it stronger, but that's enough to bring San Sebastian within one.
The veteran in Sue stopping the surge of UST.
She knows malayo pa to.
Oh, and this is not over. It's just a 1-point lead for UST.
Rosas got to that heave. Labiano is rejected. Rosas will set up Labiano for a recycling. Oh, nice dump by De Leon.
Well, Labiano, poor decision there to go soft. Knowing that Rhea de Maculangan, a tall setter, is in front of her.
UST at match point. There's San Sebastian trying to ice UST. (24-22). Sets are tied. This is the third set, actually. When you see that number 1, that's the number of sets in the middle of the school name and the points of the current set.
De Leon on the line. De Leon having 3 block points already,
Oh,
partner.
yes. Those have been valuable, especially when UST was falling apart, actually. Top set. That's a top set. That's a top set.
Nice connection between De Maculangan and Ortiz.
And that's a time-honored partnership, actually. Watch it again in the shake and play. Oh, you load up. You load up, ano? Back in a moment.